Hello everyone, today on my desk we have the MUSE Hi-Fi M300 DAC and headphone amplifier, a device that sets a new standard for desktop audio systems. Let's dive straight into the unboxing. Opening the box, the first thing that greets us is the device itself. The build quality and the premium finish are immediately noticeable the moment you pick it up. Looking further inside, we find user manual and a warranty card. And also for power, the device comes with a custom designed low ripple power transformer, because as we know, a clean power supply is fundamental to pristine audio quality. The box also conveniently includes 4 different international power cables, meaning you won't to hunt separate adapters regardless of your region. In addition to these, the box contains a jack adapter, an external antenna to boost wireless Bluetooth signal, and dedicated connecting cable with a specialized connector for digital transmission. The M300 isn't just a simple converter, it's an all-in-one desktop audio solution throughout from top to bottom. Now let's take a look at the back of the device to see how it handles all this processing power. Our input options are quite comprehensive. We have Bluetooth, coaxial, optical and USB interfaces. On the output side, it features standard RAC ports for flexible connectivity and fully balanced XLR ports for entirely pure interface-free signal transmission. The circuit architecture here is fully differentiated from the digital decoding stage all the way to the amplifier driving, which significantly minimizes crosstalk and signal distortion. The internal hardware components are highly impressive. At its heart lies ESS flagship Ultra DAC chip, integrated with their latest 4th generation Hyperstream 4 architecture to drastically reduce clock jitter and digital noise. For wireless connectivity, it utilizes Qualcomm's flagship Bluetooth chip, allowing you to experience high fidelity near lossless wireless audio through advanced codec like aptX lossless and LDAC. Now let's move on to the most radical feature that truly sets the M300 apart from the competition and makes it a global first, its dedicated operating system. While we are used to seeing some Android-based music players on the market, the MUSE Hi-Fi team noticed a significant gap in the desktop amplifier category. Instead of building a custom skin on top of existing Android frame, the M300's operating system was built entirely from scratch on an MCU, a microcontroller unit foundation. We're talking about a closed circuit system that manages over 150 interfaces and state variables simultaneously in the background. From an engineering standpoint, this is an incredibly complex process because an error in any state machine could easily cause a system crash. To prevent such instabilities, the engineers avoid complex floating point operations, utilizing lookup tables and fixed point arithmetics instead. This keeps the system entirely stable, lag-free, and purely focused on audio processing. As a result, you get a completely pure, reliable performance entirely free of unnecessary background process or software layers interfering with your music. This philosophy of pure sound brings us to one of the best featured hardware-based tuning. Most adjustable devices on the market rely on a built-in digital EQ from chip manufacturer. However, digital EQ, especially when making significant boosts or cuts, can easily cause phase shifts, making the sound feel unnatural, muddy, or harsh. The M300 takes a different approach by shaping the sound directly in physical analog domain, offering 3 distinct hardware-driven sound signatures. First of all, balance mode, completely neutral and uncolored, providing a balanced frequency response that faithfully reproduces the original recording. It's ideal for critical monitoring and classical music. And the tune amplifier mode physically replicates the characteristic warmth, harmonic richness, and intimate vocal presentation of classic tube amplifiers. It delivers an incredibly rich, pleasing tone for pop and jazz tracks. An ACG mode delivers agile transition responses and brilliant transparent character tailored specifically for anime songs and game soundtracks. You preserve the subtle micro details and fastest dynamics without any processing latency or quantized noise. We manage all these advanced features through a massive 5-inch display on the front panel. It serves a perfect companion screen for your desktop setup. To match your personal aesthetic, there are 3 independent UI themes you can switch between freely: the neon-infused cyberpunk theme for gaming, and clean understand minimalist theme, and the bright playful AGC style. Furthermore, you can fully customize the screensaver by uploading your own images, whether it's a favorite wallpaper or artwork that complements your desktop setup. The best part is that controlling all of these features is surprisingly simple. Forget the confusing button combinations and deep multi-layered menus of traditional hi-fi gear. The M300 is managed entirely with a single control wheel. Powering it on, switching modes, selecting input sources, or adjusting the volume is all handled with a single button. In short, the MUSE Hi-Fi M300 is an exceptional choice for setting up a high-end audio station on your desk. Thanks to its unique closed OS and the top-tier analog engineering, you are interested in checking it out. I left the purchase links in the description down below. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. See you in the next video. Take care.